Grandpa teaches English. Subscribe now.
I sweep the floor every day. I sweep the floor every day. I dust the wooden shelf. I dust the wooden shelf. I mop the bedroom floor. I mop the bedroom floor. I clean the glass window. I clean the glass window. I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning. I tidy up my living room. I tidy up my living room. I use a cleaning spray. I use a cleaning spray. I take out the trash bag. I take out the trash bag. I use a soft sponge. Ha? Hen? I use a soft sponge. I love my clean house. I love my clean house. I wash the dirty dishes. I wash the dirty dishes. I dry the wet plates. I dry the wet plates. I clean the kitchen sink. I clean the kitchen sink. I wipe the dining table. I wipe the dining table. I put the books away. I put the books away. I hang the wet clothes. I hang the wet clothes. I fold my clean clothes. I fold my clean clothes. I sweep the front porch. I sweep the front porch. I clean the bathroom mirror. I clean the bathroom mirror. I like a tidy home. I like a tidy home. I vacuum the living room rug. I vacuum the living room rug. I polish the old wooden table. I polish the old wooden table. I sort all the glass and paper. I sort all the glass and paper. I clean the bathroom toilet. I clean the bathroom toilet. I water the green plants. I water the green plants.